Hello everyone, this is my review of the OXO Good Grips stainless steel 4-inch pizza wheel cutter. This wheel cutter is pretty heavy duty. It feels very sturdy and has a very comfortable grip to it. The wheels rotate freely and easily, and it will cut through your pizza pretty good, and I will demonstrate that for you. See, I have this pizza here that has no cuts in it at all. I'm going to use this to cut it up. I'm probably gonna have to maybe use both hands, but so far it's cutting pretty good with just the one hand. Okay, I was able to make two good, nice cuts in pizza. You can see that it's separated here, so you cut all the way through. So I highly recommend this tool, and I hope this review helps.